What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. This is a quick overview and demo of the SARUFO 1.2 gallon aquarium fish tank. This is a very small aquarium. This is made of glass, so it's not plastic. That's a very attractive feature for me. I do like the glass tanks, the way they look. It's got a black backing on the back. So anything that's in the tank really pops. I just set this up and I'm gonna let the water run for 4 or 5 days before I start setting it up with fish. And as you can see, it is very small. The filter works great. It was really easy to set up. This is just an LED light. I'm gonna put that on a timer. It's a really cool option. Now, I've got it in the kitchen right now, and it puts out really great light. It's almost like a night light when all the lights are off here in the kitchen. It looks really cool. It does make some noise. So as you can hear, that grinding sound is the pump in the back. So it makes a little bit of noise. The waterfall here coming out of the filter has kind of a trickle sound. And then of course you can hear the little wheel spinning back there. But great little fish tank. It's great for beginners. It was really easy to set up. I think I had it set up within 3 or 4 minutes. And it just looks great. We like it, and we can't wait to set it up with our fish and decorations. So thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.